Social psychology is the scientific study of how individuals' thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are influenced by the social situation.
Social situations can be real, actual situations like when you're with your friends, family members, romantic partners, or even with a group of strangers. It could also mean implied or imagined situations. So we can think about how other people see you, and things like social and cultural values and norms influence our behaviors and thoughts, even when you're by yourself.
Social psychology is a fascinating field, and I do want to say that because I'm a social psychologist, because much of the research can be applied to our everyday lives. So, research findings from social psychology can be applied to politics, to education, to counseling, to social work, and a lot of other kinds of areas.
Social psychology is a really fascinating field of studies because a lot of research can be applied to our everyday lives. Things like how we help other people, or why do we get angry, or what's a good size of group that works best, and many other things.
Social psychology takes a topic-based approach. Social psychologists study group processes, including conformity and obedience. Ash's study on conformity and Milgram's study on obedience are examples of classic research in this area.
Social psychologists investigate our views on others, including attraction, impression formation, and relationships. In one study, Dutton and Aaron actually looked at arousal and attraction by approaching people on a suspension bridge. Social psychologists are interested in attitudes and persuasion. So Festinger and Carl Smith discovered cognitive dissonance in how we are motivated to keep our attitudes and our behaviors aligned.
Finally, social psychologists study helping and hurting, including prosocial behavior, aggression, and stereotyping. Steele and Aronson's work on stereotype threat is one example of classic research in this area.